Hey everyone, let's talk about collagen. You know, that amazing protein that keeps our skin plump, our joints healthy, and our hair and nails strong. You can totally boost your body's natural collagen production through the power of food. By incorporating specific nutrient-rich foods into your diet, you can support your body's ability to build and maintain collagen levels naturally. And the best part, it's way more delicious and satisfying than just popping a pill. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets to vibrant, youthful health from the inside out, stick around because in this video, I'm breaking down the top collagen-rich foods you need to add to your plate today. First up, we have bone broth, a true rock star in the collagen world. Bone broth is made by simmering animal bones like chicken, beef, or fish bones for an extended period, often 24 hours or even longer. This long, slow cooking process extracts all those amazing nutrients, including collagen, from the bones. Enjoy it by sipping on a warm mug daily, or using it as a base for soups, stews, or sauces to add a flavor boost and a nutritional punch. Next up, let's talk about chicken. But not just the chicken breast. We're focusing on the skin and cartilage, especially from chicken wings and necks. These often discarded parts are a goldmine of type 2 collagen, crucial for healthy joints. When cooked properly, chicken skin becomes crispy and delicious, and it's a fantastic source of collagen. So next time you're enjoying a delicious chicken dinner, don't be afraid to indulge in those crispy chicken wings, or savor the flavor of chicken necks. Your joints will thank you. Now let's dive into the world of seafood, because fish skin and scales, especially from fatty fish like salmon or tuna, are not only tasty, but also packed with marine collagen. Marine collagen is highly bioavailable, meaning our bodies can absorb and utilize it very effectively. This unique structure makes it easier for our bodies to break down and absorb, making it a fantastic choice for boosting skin elasticity and hydration. So, next time you're cooking salmon, don't discard that crispy skin. Experiment with different seasonings and cooking methods to find your favorite way to enjoy this collagen-rich delicacy. Chapter 4. Egg-Cellent Collagen Boosters. Let's move on to a breakfast staple. Eggs. While eggs themselves don't directly contain collagen, they're loaded with proline. Proline is an amino acid, a key ingredient in your body's collagen production line. So, whether you prefer them scrambled, poached, or sunny side up, make sure to include eggs in your diet to fuel your body's collagen production. Chapter 5. Beef up your collagen levels. Meat lovers rejoice. Beef is another excellent source of collagen, especially when you choose cuts that are rich in connective tissue. Brisket and shank are fantastic choices. These cuts become incredibly tender and flavorful when cooked low and slow, releasing their collagen goodness. Try braising or stewing beef to break down the tough connective tissue, resulting in a more tender and flavorful meal while maximizing collagen release. Chapter 6. Gelatin, the versatile collagen booster. Gelatin is derived from collagen itself, made by boiling down animal bones, skin, and tendons. You can easily incorporate it into your diet by adding it to smoothies, soups, or even using it to make healthy gummies or desserts. It dissolves easily in hot liquids and sets when cooled, giving your recipes a wonderful texture. Choose high-quality gelatin from grass-fed or pasture-raised animals whenever possible. Chapter 7. Organ meats, nutrient powerhouses. Organ meats, like liver and kidneys, are incredibly nutrient-dense and packed with collagen-boosting nutrients. Liver is an excellent source of vitamin A, essential for healthy skin cell growth and repair. If you're adventurous, consider adding small amounts of liver and kidneys to your diet by incorporating them into dishes like stews or stir-fries to mask the flavor. So there you have it, folks. 7 amazing collagen-rich foods that you can easily incorporate into your diet to support your body's natural collagen production. Remember, combine these foods with a healthy lifestyle for optimal results. Stay hydrated, prioritize quality sleep, manage stress levels, and avoid smoking. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future health and wellness tips. Let me know in the comments below which collagen food you're most excited to try first. Until next time, stay healthy and keep